Welcome to the Knowledge Hub by World Options Australia. I'm Jessica, your instructor. This tutorial will walk you through a step-by-step process on how to create a new customer through the World Options portal. Begin by navigating to the World Options Australia portal. Click on the following sequence: Account, Customer, and Add. Type the first 3 letters of your customer's company name, then the first 3 characters of their postcode in the search field. Utilize the drop-down menu provided. Click on Search. If a company matching the entered criteria exists, it will appear in the search results. If you see no results found, you can proceed to add the new customer. Click on the Add Company button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Fill in the following details: company full name, postcode. Once you enter the name and postcode, ensure that the checkbox alongside turns green, confirming a match with the previously entered characters. After entering the UL, click on Quick Add. The company name, postcode, and UL will then auto-populate in the lead details box. Complete the remaining fields. Note that address to is optional. After filling out all required details, click on Save. A confirmation pop-up will appear at the top right corner stating lead has been created successfully. Upon receiving confirmation, enter the prospect details, customer's email ID, name of the point of contact, payment options. Once all details are filled in, click on Add to HubSpot. You will be redirected to a page confirming you've successfully added a prospect to HubSpot along with all customer details. At this stage, you may choose to view your customer list from the provided options or proceed to add another company. Click on Create Customer Portal. You will be taken to the Edit Customer page to create a customer successfully. The Account and Address tabs are mandatory. You will start on the Preferences tab. Select the service options that suit your customer. Click on the Account tab to review all previously entered details. In the Login Credential section, create a unique username for your customer. This step is required. Navigate to the Reporting Setup section and select an appropriate franchisee group. This step is also mandatory. Now go to the Address tab. If the pickup and billing addresses are the same, check the corresponding box. If they differ, enter the relevant billing address. Repeat this process for the registered address. Once you've completed all sections, click Update. A message should appear at the top confirming the customer information has been updated successfully. To ensure the new customer has been successfully created, click on Account from the main menu, then select Customer Edit. The newly added customer should now be visible in the list. With these steps, you have successfully added a customer to the World Options Australia portal. You can watch our other tutorials to learn more. Thank you for watching.